everyone, and welcome to Friday's Celebration Assembly. Jinxie's here with me today. He's so excited. We've been going around all the classes and seeing how all the children have been doing for our Children's Mental Health Week. You have all done a fantastic job. I particularly liked our positive post-it day. You did too, didn't you, Jinxie? You did. And he loved going around and talking to all the children and giving them cuddles. So right now he wants to get down while I tell you who are the winners of our awards this week. All right? All right, Jinxie, off you go. All right. Now, for our Going for Gold Awards, we have in Lee's class, Loki for super cooking and good imagination work in the mud kitchen outside. And Emily for developing a storyline alongside her outdoor play. In York 1, we have Bowie for working super hard on his reading skills and keep it up, Bowie. Oh, yes, Jinxie. And Isabel showing great understanding in this week's length focus in math. I know, we're so excited. It's exciting. In York 2, we have Rory for using the sound map to help him write CVC words all by himself. And we have George for working so hard in all of his lessons and being a good friend. In Hall class, we have Oceana for focusing on her handwriting. And we have Harper for super progress and rewrite ink. In Nottingham class, we have Adam for great reading using rewrite ink strategies. And we have Flynn for trying hard with all of his work. In Liverpool class, we have Alfie for having a more positive attitude towards his work in class, and Cohen for always remembering to read at home and bring his reading book into school. In Cardiff class, we have Grace for being kind and encouraging other children in Times Table rock stars. And we have Gabby for trying hard in our independent writing this week. Yes. And then we have in Edinburgh class, we have, Jinxie is. In Edinburgh class, we have Joshua T. for superb improvements in his writing this term, and Jack for superb improvements in his writing as well this term. In Cambridge class, we have Sienna for excellent non-chronological report in English. And we have Olivia for keeping up with her home reading. In London class, we have Harry for finding the most efficient method to calculate arithmetic questions. And David for trying hard during his rainbow words. In Oxford class, we have Peyton for writing fantastic non-fiction, non-chronological report about a Wolverine. And Mason for achieving 20 out of 20 on his spelling test. Well done, everyone. We're all so very excited. We're excited, aren't we? We are. Well done. Give him a big clap. Well done. Now, we have the Year of Knowing Me Awards. First, we have Leeds class and Mason for good thinking when spotting the numeral 4. And Nevaeh for enthusiasm when completing a modern picture. We have York 1 for Scarlett for taking super care of her new glasses, and Vortex for persevering with his initial letter sounds. Yes, he really knows them. Oh, he does, Jinxie. In York 2, we have River for knowing how to explain his thinking when he solves maths problems. We also have Evie for self-help skills. Evie knows when she needs to ask for a cream and applies this herself very sensibly. In Hull class, we have Tyler for showing resilience when writing, and Vanessa when having a positive attitude towards her work. In Hull class, in Nottingham class, we have Evelyn. Yes, we do. We have Evelyn for being a good friend. That's exciting, isn't it, Jinxie? Oh, He is. He's so excited. Well done, Evelyn. And Mia for her positive attitude to learning. In Liverpool class, we have Alan for fantastic first week at school and Nevaeh for being a supportive member of the class by helping others to make the right choices. In Cardiff class, we have Isabella M. for persevering in Around the World Club when learning to use chopsticks. She kept trying even though it was hard. Well done. Caleb is also the other person in Cardiff class for his effort and improvement in Read Write Inc. with Mrs. Tyree. In Edinburgh class, we have Daisy for confidently explaining how emotions link to mental health, and Rome for working hard to improve play times by being a playground leader. In Cambridge class, we have Jacob for being kind and considerate during Children's Mental Health Week, and Katie for having an excellent attitude towards Children's Mental Health Week. In London class, we have Ao for settling well into London class, and all of London class for demonstrating good sportsmanship and teamwork during PE. In Oxford class, we have Amelia for giving up her own time to help a friend, and Zane for being encouraging to a classmate during PE lessons. Well done to all of you. Give them a good clap. Well done. Yes, we're so excited. Right. Now, another thing Jinxies is so excited about is that it's now time for half term. Well, yes, it is. Come here. It's half term and we have a week off. Well done to all of you for your hard work this half term. We want you to have a fantastic week off. Make sure you listen to your adults. Stay safe, both outside, inside, and online. Have a good week. See you in a week. Bye. Bye.